Hey there! Today let's learn how to use the Google Pixel Buds A-Series touch control to make call, answer, ignore, or even end the call. Well, Google Pixel Buds makes all this work pretty easy for you. Now before we show you how you can do all the work, please ensure to connect your Google Buds with your device, and right after that the next things you gotta do, make sure to set up your Google Assistant with your Google Pixel. Right after that, the next work you want to do, just go ahead and open up your Google Pixel Buds application. Now go ahead and allow phone calls on your Pixel Buds from here. From there, simply tap on that touch control. From there, you have to be careful and you need to enable these features called touch control in order to make it work. Once you've done that, now let's talk about how you can make a call. Now to make a call, go ahead and grab your Google Pixel Buds and press and hold on the surface and just say, "Hey Google, call to Jacob," or just say, "Make a phone call to Jacob." Now, if you have an incoming call on your device, you can simply press or just tap once to the touch surface of your Google Pixel Buds to receive the call. Well, if you want to cut out the call, the next things you have to do, just go ahead and double tap on the surface here and then the call will be ended. Now to ignore or reject the call, just go ahead and double tap on your touch surface of your Google Pixel Buds A-Series, then the call will be ignored or it will be rejected. Alright guys, so these are the ways that you guys can follow in order to just pick up a call, make a call, or even reject or even end the call just by using your Google Pixel Buds. So I hope you find this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll talk to you all again.